In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in the footer on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify dashboard and how to update your footer so it includes the links you want, whether that's your contact page, policies, or any other important pages. First, sign into your Shopify account and head to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, including recent activity, orders, and sales. We'll be working from here to access your online store's design settings. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section called Online Store and click on it. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to your website's appearance, including themes, blog posts, and pages. Clicking Online Store will expand a set of options underneath it. Under Online Store, you'll see a tab labeled Themes. Here, you'll find the theme that's currently live on your store. Next to your live theme, there should be a button like Customize or an option to edit the theme. Click on the option that lets you edit or customize your theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust different parts of your site. Once the theme editor is open, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a menu on the left showing different sections, such as header, homepage sections, and footer. In that left-hand column, scroll down until you find the footer section and click on it. The footer is the area at the bottom of every page, and it's a great place for links your visitors might look for often. Inside the footer settings, you'll usually see different blocks or content areas. To access more detailed options, look for theme settings related to the footer and click on that. This is where the controls for your footer's text, colors, and sometimes the link blocks are located. Now you can start adding your links. In the footer settings, you should see fields for a headline and a description or text area. Type in the headline you want, such as quick links or customer support. In the description field, you can add the text you want to turn into a link. Highlight that text and use the hyperlink option to paste in the URL you want it to point to. Once you've added and linked your text, make sure you save your changes. Then, preview your store to confirm that the new links appear correctly in the footer and lead to the right pages.